seems that the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has invoked Jaish confessions. Remember, there is a video of Jaish-e-Mohammed commander Ilyas Kashmiri, which is doing the rounds, in which he can be seen making many confessions. Well, it seems Rajnath Singh has mentioned that. He has said that terrorist kin were killed in Operation Sindoor. He is referring to the death of family of Masood Azhar, which was mentioned by the commander of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Rajnath Singh also said that Jaish has admitted that their terror headquarters was demolished, also thereby verifying that terror is what originates from Bahawalpur. Rajnath Singh also said that terrorist Masood's family was completely destroyed, and this has also been verified in this very video that has been released on YouTube. Now, for more on this, I'm joined by Shivani Sharma. Shivani, after Prime Minister Modi, it seems Rajnath Singh has also referred to a news break by India Today.
Certainly, Anjali, yesterday, India Today broke the story where we not only played out the video where the commander Ilyas Kashmiri was actually ranting, and he was describing how Masood Azhar lost his family members. He said that Resha maut hui hai. That means they were broken into pieces. It was a damage that not only the Indian strikes, the initial strikes at 9 terror camps devastated Pakistan's terror outfits. But today, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh acknowledged this news break. He says, and he has clarified that not only Masood Azhar and his family members, but more than 100 terrorists were killed in Operation Sindoor strikes by Indian armed forces. And that's what is the unimaginable action Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Defence Minister, was talking about before these strikes were planned, Anjali. And one more very important thing which Defence Minister has said, he's clarified that no third-party interference was being taken into account by India. It is India's independent decision that has not only resorted to this ceasefire understanding after Pakistan came onto its knees after 4 days of action on its 11 air bases, radar systems, and also the 9 terror camps, where we can also see the demolition drives are going on.
Right. Thank you, Shivani, for those details. So, Rajnath Singh has also said that he wants to make it clear that Operation Sindoor is right now sort of paused, and in case any terrorist act occurs, then it will be resumed.